Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on audience based on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, after you click on your profile icon, click on the settings icon here, and here you will find ads, click on it. Here you will find ad preferences, click on it, and here as you see you will find audience based. Just click like this and it will be turned on, and that's how to turn on audience based, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.